Hi guys, so today we are playing Troll Button Tower. So it's my turn because we're taking turns. Alternate like that. So there's no troller, but down there's a troller. But on the light purple. Yeah.
Oh,
But above light purple is no troller.
oh my god.
Oh man, that was so close. Alright, we're over there. You can do that, girl.
Oh my gosh,
man.
I almost fell there.
Alright. You're on the part where I fell.
I hope I don't fall.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Well. Okay,
I
there.
am open master.
I've been trying for there, and oh man, no, until the bottom. What the hell is he doing?
Jump, bro.
Okay, so there's no trollers here.
No.
What? It didn't disappear. Am I lagging?
Bro, may papakita ko sa yung record mamaya sa Sakura. Okay.
Even this, bro. Even over here, I don't slide. Bro, everyone's not moving, bro. What's happening with Roblox?
Because you're logging.
Here, right?
Yeah.
What the hell is he doing?
It's my fault. Oh my gosh, lucky you. You can go.
No, girl.
You can, let's go.
I can't.
Doing other Obi.
Okay, guys. So I will do this again.
Oh my gosh,
go,
it's not disappearing.
go. Alright. I land there.
Ako din eh. Doon sa Troll SAP Towers. Doon din ako nag-land.
Anyways, guys.
It's my turn.
So it's her turn.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm not going here. I'm here. I'll go here.
It's easier when you go that way.
So guys, I'm charging, so I'm not using my account because I'm charging.
She's only using my account.
Yeah, because I don't know where's my phone.
It's probably her upstairs.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, someone just died.
I heard that, right?
Oh my gosh. I thought I fall.
Okay, be careful there.
Yeah.
Because there are trollers. Wait, it's mine.
Hala na post ko. Hala na wala yung record. Okay lang yung ulit.
Ayan.
Okay, smart.
Napindot mo lang pero akala mo na wala. Uno si Pancake. Guys, I will watch Peppa Pig later. Girl. That girl. Jump. That's roller? Is that a troller?
Yung naglaro ko yan, may nahulog na troller. Kala niya mahuhulog ako. Siya pala yung mahuhulog.
Go.
Do it
Go.
on the side.
Go. Go. Then go.
It's your turn.
Uy, JJ.
Si JJ.
May nakita din ako pangalan niya Robin Yuri. May screenshot na ako.
Weh?
Mamaya pakita ko siya.
Um,
Pangalan niya pangalan niya Robin Yuri.
What the?
Is he flying? Oh,
Oh,
kupal.
I can really feel I passed.
He not sliding, bro.
Really?
Yeah, you're not. That was
Really?
so
I'm not
close.
sliding?
See? You're not sliding. Stop. Coupon. JJ. 5833, whatever.
Noob. Doki. Doki yan.
Okay.
Nilaro namin to ng best friend ko eh. Lagi siya nahulog. Nainis siya. Sabi niya, ayoko na.
That was so close.
Oh my
May
God.
nag-aantay dyan.
Okay.
Dito din may trollers.
How do I
Hold up.
pass that?
Hold up. Oh! Girl! Girl, this is just two!
can just... Can I stay here? Huwag ka na maglaro pag nag-AFK ka.
Pwede bang game?
Yeah.
So we will play another game, but we will not stop this recording. Because I will post this at my home.
Girl, what the?
You see that?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Bakit?
I'm leaving yan. Sino yan? Kalbo. Kalbo siya. Guys.
Bold.
Kalbo.
Kalbo siya.
He's bold. Sino ba yun? Sino yun? Wala akong kilala na kalbo.
Tignan natin.
Baka kuya mo nagpalit ng avatar. Baka di ko alam.
Let's see, let's see.
Franz yung pangalan ng kuya ko, guys. Oh.
Jean.
Yung kaklase ko, ba't nang iwan siya sa kalbo?
Troll button admin.
Nalaro ko na to. Naging admin ako. You know how?
No.
Sinabi ko lang, fly. Tapos nag-fly ako. Paano yung fly? Nalig mo yun?
What the hell? What's that?
Ganito, doon for admin. Tapos pwede ka na mag-fly. Kaya pag may troll, pwede ka na mag-fly. Kasi kung gawa na. Kasi sa akin umiilaw. Ayun, umiilaw. Fly. Saan? Ba't ayaw? Ba't sa akin gumana? Ayun. Ayun.
Ayun.
Oh my gosh.
I can fly.
Oh
I'm
my
a
God.
butterfly. What the hell?
Wait. Mamaya,
Ako na, girl.
wait.
Ako na.
X ko lang to.
Ikaw yung mag-F.
Tapos yung papastop ko mag-fly. Huh? Mamaya na lang pag may nag-troll, tapos type mo fly. Wait.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Unfly yun, di ba?
Oo.
Unfly.
Kita mo yun. Anyways, guys, we're gonna play. I'm
Now.
going the ladder way.
Parang katulad lang sa
Ghost.
kanina.
Ghost, pero kita ko pa rin. Invisible kasi dapat yun.
Ghost, pero kita ko pa rin.
What if mag-invisible ka? Mamaya.
Mama.
Tapos mag-fly ka din.
Ah,
Pag may mga nag-troll.
Oh my God. Oh, that was so close, guys.
Huh? Ba't walang yung second?
I don't know. Parang ano lang to. Parang same sa kanina. Malamang. Man.
Here's what? It's my turn.
Hold up.
It's my turn.
Ba't ganito pa rin? Wala yung dito, guys.
It's
Wala
my
yung
turn.
sa taas.
It's my turn.
Di ba, guys, nakita niyo kanina yun?
Wadi?
Wadi. Wally Daddy.
Wadi dad. This is spinner.
Yeah. Kaya akala ko hindi yun. Okay, yan, mga trollers. May mga trollers.
Girl budgie.
You guys can see that, right? Ba't hindi ko na fly?
Uy. Should I troll?
You should not troll. That's bad.
Okay. Bro, I cannot go.
Go!
You thought
Go.
Unfly.
Unfly.
Unfly. Wait.
Unfly.
Ano yung tipi? Tipi Tom?
Tipi Tom?
Baka pangalan.
Fly. Pero ano kasi yung tipi?
It's my turn, diba?
Oh, ikaw pa rin.
Fire? Naging fire siya.
Tapos naka-fly, I think.
Ooh, that
Oh
was
my
so
God.
close. I'm not pro at this. I'm not pro at the OB.
Puro tawa. Ayan, my third. Nahulog.
At least I got there.
Uh-oh.
You do it.
Uy, hindi yan hulog.
Ba't gumagano yung eyebrows mo? Tumatal yung eyebrows mo. Your kilay is up.
No!
Okay.
So my troller, I walang troller.
We can just fly.
Yeah, kill car. Anong car? May tao pa na.
This, pangalan yan. Pwede ka i-clear.
Pangalan si Carl.
Pwede mo i-kill yung mga tao.
Goo.
Oh, ano ba? You miss me?
Ano yun?
Ice car? I-ice.
Ice ka.
Oo, pwede yun eh. Ice mo yung someone. Pwede ice.
Oh, what the
Oh my
heck?
gosh.
Oh my gosh. Doon ka. Kala ko nahulog tayo. Sa purple. Ano
Asan
na?
na?
Asan na tayo? Akin na. Ayun. Sa purple, be.
Di ko nga maano eh. Di ko nga control eh.
Hindi mo makontrol. Uy. Sa taas eh. Ano ito mo? Saan yun nasa labas? Ba't ayaw tumaas?
Gigigil na ako. But 4 shots?
This two KOSS.
Girl, should we reset? Pero ikaw ulit. Pero ikaw. Ikaw maglalaro. Uy. Oh! Ano yun?
Ang sulit naman.
Text mo na yan. Ay, hindi. Wait. On mo yan. On mo yan.
Enable.
Okay.
Go up.
What the? Where should you go?
Where did I go?
Oh, there. Oh my gosh. Can go there.
Mag-skip nga ako. Ito. Sleepy? Where is it? Where is it?
Being hacker is not okay. Being an admin pala.
Ayun. Nakita mo yan? Yeah, ayan. Girl, why can't I go up? Oh, wait, what? Oh, damn. Pwede ako sa pinakataas.
Uy, girl. Wait.
Dapat, ano?
Kaya
Ito, ano? Yung... Guys, I made it.
Yun nga yung idea ko eh. Kaso, wala ka space nun.
Oh.
No.
Now, what? What happened? Where is it again?
You know what?
Flip. Sino yan? Sino yung nagsasabi? Sino yun? Girl, why am I such lagging?
You know what?
Ah.
Let's just leave. Let me leave. Other game.
Okay, bye guys. Because this is very getting out of hand. You see that? No, you cannot see that, guys. So,
Bye.
bye.